Welcome to Stamford Talk News. Chelsea are grooming up the intensity as the new era under Xabi Alonso continues to take shape. And the latest training developments have given supporters plenty to talk about. With Enzo Fernández, Morgan Rogers and captain Reece James back in the spotlight, Chelsea's preparations are becoming increasingly serious as the club looks ahead to the new campaign. The big question, however, remains around Enzo Fernández and his future. While the Argentine midfielder continues to be an important figure around the squad, speculation surrounding his situation has created uncertainty among Chelsea supporters. And with Alonso now putting his own ideas into practice, every training session is being watched closely. Enzo Fernández is one of the biggest names in the Chelsea squad, and his return to intense training is naturally attracting attention. The Argentine midfielder has established himself as an important part of Chelsea's midfield since arriving at Stamford Bridge. His passing range, vision, energy, and ability to control the tempo make him a player capable of influencing games from the center of the pitch. Under Alonso, however, Enzo could be asked to adapt to a different tactical system. Alonso is expected to demand intensity, intelligent movement, and quick transitions from his players. That could make Enzo a key component of the new Chelsea midfield. But alongside his footballing importance comes the uncertainty surrounding his future. Transfer speculation can quickly create headlines, but Chelsea supporters will be hoping that Enzo remains fully focused on the project at Stamford Bridge. For now, his presence in training is certainly an encouraging sign. Morgan Rogers is another player generating excitement around Chelsea. The young attacker has the physical ability, technical quality, and versatility to become a major part of Alonso's plans. Rogers can operate in several attacking positions, giving the manager different options depending on the opposition. His involvement in intense training could be extremely important because Alonso will want his attacking players to press aggressively, move quickly, and create opportunities through combination football. Rogers has the opportunity to make a major impression during this period. Chelsea fans will be watching closely to see whether he can translate his ability on the training pitch into consistent performances when competitive football begins. Then there is the Chelsea captain, Reece James. Whenever James is fit and training at full intensity, Chelsea supporters immediately feel a sense of optimism. The England international possesses outstanding technical ability and can contribute both defensively and offensively. His crossing, passing, physicality, and ability to drive forward make him one of Chelsea's most important players. For Alonso, having a fit Reece James could be a huge advantage. The Chelsea boss will be looking for leaders on the pitch, and James is expected to play a major role in that department. His presence also gives Chelsea another tactical option because of his ability to influence games from wide areas while also contributing centrally when required. Perhaps the biggest talking point from Chelsea training is the intensity under Xabi Alonso. The Spanish coach has arrived with his own football philosophy, and players are now being challenged to understand his tactical demands. Training sessions are not simply about fitness. They are also about positioning, pressing, ball movement, transitions, and understanding exactly what is expected in different situations. Chelsea players know that the competition for places will be extremely high. Every training session provides an opportunity to impress the new manager. For players such as Enzo, Rogers, and James, this could be particularly important because they are expected to play significant roles in Alonso's project. Chelsea supporters have every reason to be excited about what is developing. The return of important players, combined with Alonso's tactical ideas, could completely change the way Chelsea approach matches. The Blues have been building a young and talented squad, but the next step is turning individual quality into a consistent team capable of challenging at the highest level. That is where Alonso comes in. His ability to organize the squad, develop young players, and establish a clear tactical. Enzo Fernández, Morgan Rogers, and Reece James involved. Chelsea have some extremely exciting pieces to work with. Despite the positive training developments, Enzo Fernández's future will continue to attract headlines until there is complete clarity. Chelsea fans will undoubtedly want the midfielder to remain committed to the project, especially if Alonso sees him as an important part of his midfield plans. For now, supporters should separate confirmed training developments from transfer speculation. Enzo being involved with the squad is the clearest indication of his current commitment to Chelsea, while the rumors surrounding his future remain a developing story. One thing is certain, the atmosphere around Chelsea is changing. Alonso is demanding more from his players. Established stars are returning. Younger talents are fighting for their opportunities. And competition for places is becoming intense. Click on the like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Chelsea update.